Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the second part of ration number MCQs. Those who haven't watched the first part, please check out in the description box or I will put the link in the I button. In part 1, we have discussed the multiple choice questions. Those are very important. So now we are move on to the fill in the blanks questions. So this is Sajani Sages. Welcome to another video. Fill in the blanks to make the statements true. The first question is the equivalent of 5 by 7 whose numerator is 45 is. In order to make the numerator 45, we have to multiply the numerator of 5 by 7. 5, numerator of 5 with the 9. 9 into 5, 45. Okay, then we have to make an equivalent. We should multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. So 5 into 9, 45. Then what is the denominator? We have to multiply 7 also with the 9. So 9 into 7, 63. So 45 by 63 is the answer. Next question, the equivalent ration number of 7 by 9 whose denominator is 45. Okay, we have to use the same method as the first question. So denominator is 45, meaning we are multiplying 9 with 5 to get 45. So denominator is 45 by multiplying 9 with the 5. So we have to multiply the numerator also with the 5. Okay, so the numerator is 7 into 5, 35. So this is the answer. Next question, between the numbers 15 by 20 and 35 by 40, the greater number is. To find the greater number, we had to make the denominator same. So in order to make 15 by 20 to 35 by 40, because here LCM is equal to 40. Why it is so? 40 is the multiple of 20. 40 is a multiple of 20, then LCM is equal to 40 itself. So, in order to make the equivalent fraction of 15 by 20 with the denominator 40, we have to multiply with the 2 at both numerator and denominator. Then this number becomes 30 by 40. Okay. Then one number is 30 by 40, the another number is 35 by 40, which is greater. The greater number is 35 by 40. Okay. Next question, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive itself. So there is no sign change when we are taking the reciprocal. Then next question, the reciprocal of negative rational number is negative itself. Next question, 0 has dash reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocal. It is nothing but 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1 has the same reciprocal. That is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 1 by minus 1 is also equal to minus 1. Next question, if y be the reciprocal of x, then the reciprocal of y square in terms of x will be. Okay, this is written out here. Y is the reciprocal of 1 by x. That's y is equal to 1 by x. Then what is y square? Y square is equal to 1 by x square. Okay, then what is the reciprocal of y square? It is 1 by y square is equal to 1 by x square. So the answer becomes x square. The reciprocal of 2 by 5 into minus 4 by 9. Reciprocal. So it is 5 by 2 into 9 by minus 4. That is equal to 45 divided by minus 8. Okay, this is the reciprocal. The next question, 35. The question, 213 into 657, the whole raised to minus 1. Then this is equal to 213 inverse into 657 inverse. Okay. Okay, the next question, the negative of 1 is minus 1. Next question, for rational numbers a by b, c by d and e by f, we have a by b into c by d plus e by f. This is actually the distributive property. So, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Here, all these numbers are rational numbers. So, this becomes a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Next question, minus 5 by 7 is dash than minus 3. Is it greater than or less than? That is the question. The answer is greater than. Okay, negative 3 is less than minus 5 by 7, or minus 5 by 7 is greater than negative 3. If you are marking it in the number line, it is easy to understand. Next question, there are dash rational numbers between any two rational numbers, countless or infinitely many. Countless. Next question, the rational numbers 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 are on the dash sides of 0 on the number line. Okay, minus 1 by 3 on the left side, plus 1 by 3 on the right side. Next question, the negative of a negative rational number is always negative of a negative rational number. It is always positive. Rational numbers can be added or multiplied in any order, because addition and multiplication of rational numbers follows commutative property and associative property. Next question, the reciprocal of minus 5 by 7 is 7 by minus 5. There is no sign change. The multiplicative inverse of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Multiplicative inverse and the reciprocals are same. The rational number 10.11 in the form of P by Q is 1011 divided by 100, because there are 2 digits after the decimal point. 2 digits after decimal point, we have to write it as the number divided by 100. Next question, 1 by 5 into 2 by 7 plus 3 by 8. This is also distributive property. So 1 by 5 into 2 by 7 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 8. The two rational numbers lying between minus 2 and minus 5 with the denominator as 1 are minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, minus 2, then minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, with the denominator 1. That means minus 3. Any integer I can represent as a rational number by putting denominator as 1. Okay. This is all about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Enjoy learning.